Hi guys, this tutorial is to show you some of the basic setup of the look of your class blog. So when you go to Kidblog, you log yourself in. Right, and we are going to be here at my control panel. Now I want to change the look of my class blog. At the moment, if I go to class blogs, we are set up with the general Kidblog blue. That's the default theme of a blog, and it's great, it's fine. But you do have some choices. So one thing you can do is change the theme of your blog. So I'm going to go to Control Panel. I'm going to go to Settings. And right here I have this general settings. One of my options is Themes. I'm going to click on Themes. All right, at the moment I have Kidblog Blue, which is the default parent theme for Kidblog classes. But here are some other themes that are available. So if you scroll down, you can have a look and see all sorts of different options. This is a fun thing to do with your class. Look at it and say, hey, what do we want our blogs to look like? And whichever thing you choose is going to be your theme for all of your students' individual blogs as well. Unless you go for Kidblog Pro and you pay that subscription, they will all have the same theme. The ability to individualize those is an upgrade. All right, so we're going to pick one that all of my students are going to have. But we're going to have a look at them and say, all right, let's try Kidblog Beach and see what it looks like. Now we've made that selection. I'm going to go and have a look. I'm going to see if we like it. Okay, so obviously it's just moved some things around, giving us that banner up there. Our directory's still there. We've got that beachy look at the bottom. It's one option. Right? We might want to go back and play with it a little bit, back into settings and themes. We can also do a live preview under each of these if we don't want to actually activate it, but just want to have a look. So if we want to see what Bluebird looks like, we can do a live preview. And right here we'll have the ability to just kind of have a peek at what it would look like. We can either save it right here, or we can cancel and go back and have a look at something else. And this is obviously really fun for your class to do, to go through and pick something that suits your group. And so you can play with as many as you want, try them all out. Now let's say I want to make this as my selection. I like how this looks. I'm going to click Save and Activate. So now you'll see here, this is our current class theme. When I go to class blogs, that's what we look like. All right, so that's one way to set up the look of your blog. The other thing I want to show you in this video is how to change this right here. This is your class avatar. All right, and we've got it set at the moment as the owl, but let's say we want to change that. We'll go to Control Panel, Settings. Okay, and this one is under that general settings. Right here it says Class Avatar. Now when you first sign up, your default avatar is this Kidblog K right here. All right, but if we want to change it, we can go right here, choose Class Avatar. All right, and then I'm going to browse for an image that I have on my computer. So let's say that we have decided as a class that instead of having an individual animal, we want to have a barn to represent all of us. So this image is saved on my computer. I click on it, open it up, and then I upload the image. Then I have the option to crop it. So obviously I want it to be, I don't want it to look like that. I want to see the whole barn. So I'm going to drag those corners out to give me that whole look. And so now this is what we'll see. I click crop image. All right, and then it tells me right here, your new avatar was uploaded successfully. If we scroll down, there it is. And when we go back to class blogs, you can see our avatar is here. So we have changed our theme and we have changed the avatar. All right, so those are some things that you can do with your class or as you are setting up your class Kidblog to sort of personalize it and make it represent your kids. All right, that's it for today. Leave me some comments if you have any questions or what you want to learn about next.